Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to track the amount of calories burned on this watch. So let's get started. We can track the calories in a few ways. The first way is to do it on the watch face. Some of the watch faces display the calorie counter. For example, this one does. If yours isn't, you can always open the watch face menu by pressing and holding on the current watch face and then look for something that displays the calories as well. Yeah, this one displays them as well. There's probably quite a few that show you the calorie counter, so look for them and then just apply them if you want to see the calories on the watch face. Another way to check the calories is to swipe left on the home screen to open the cards. And here we have the activity card, and here we have the calorie burn graph. You can also swipe up on the screen, and here you can see more detailed information. Here, activity consumptions, we have the calories burned as well. And the last way to check the calories is to open the REALME Link application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So if we zoom out the camera a bit, you can open the REALME Link, and here you should see the health icon and you can tap on it. And in the health page, you will see the activity, and here we have the calories. Only activity details. And if you go to specific day today, it will show me no data, right? Yeah, basically. I don't have any data recorded, that's why it doesn't show anything. But you can check daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly progression for all of the stats right here, like steps, calories, and stuff like that. Okay, and once you're done, you can close the app, and that's how you track the amount of calories burned on this watch. So, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.